So you want to create amazing logos for your business and you don't want to hire expensive graphic designers to do all that work for you. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to go ahead and discuss 30 plus different logo designs that you can create with Midjourney. So yeah, this is Usman from Skill Curve, and without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so here I am in the homepage of Midjourney, and right off the bat you guys can see like I've been working on logos for quite a while now, and I've tested so many logos for you. And in this video we're gonna go ahead and discuss 30 plus different logo design and logo styles that you can create right now with Midjourney without any problem. Alright, so first of all, before starting, let's just go ahead and discuss the prompt formula and important parameters that you need to follow in order to create amazing results for your logo in Midjourney. So starting off, if you go ahead and discuss the prompt formula. So the prompt formula for creating the amazing logos in Midjourney is, first of all, you need to provide your style, which will include any specific style you want, such as it can be minimalistic, vector, or abstract. Then you need to provide your type. So this can be like logo design, or any other similar type of terms you can use that we'll be discussing right now in this video, okay? Then you need to provide your subject or concept. So this is basically the main element of the logo, such as it can be like pirate skull, phoenix, samurai helmet, etc. Then you need to provide your key characteristics or elements, like the details you want to highlight, like with crossbones, with flames, like geometrical shapes or something. Then after that, at the end, you need to provide your theme or symbolism, right? So these all 5 things will make up an amazing prompt formula for you to create amazing logos in Midjourney, right? Then after that, if you go ahead and discuss few of the important parameters, and for that, let's just say I go to my settings in Midjourney. So first of all, the image size, it should be the square like 1:1 ratio, right? Because obviously you guys know for the logos, the 1:1 aspect ratio is the standard, right? Then for the parameters like aesthetics, you need to go ahead and play around with your stylize option. I basically play around with that, and according to me, the 100 stylization was the best for me, right? I basically got very accurate, very perfect results according to my prompt that I was inputting in Midjourney, right? Then for the weirdness and a variety, it should be 0, right? Because we don't want any crazy changes in our logo. We want to go ahead and create accurate results that we will provide in our prompts, okay? Then for the mode, it should be standard, not raw, because obviously we're not dealing with ultra realism, we're dealing with logos. Then for the version, it should be latest 6.1, and personalization should be turned off, right? Alright, so first of all, I'm going to go ahead and discuss with you guys some of the important terms that you can use in your prompt to get different results for your same prompt, right? So first of all, starting off, let's just say you provided your prompt like logo of a pirate skull with crossbones. So in that, I basically just provided a logo, right? So it basically provided me these results. Alright, these results look good, not bad. We have a pirate skull with crossbones, typical logo, not too fancy, not too much, like a simple one, right? Then after that, you can go ahead and add logo design in your prompt. Like this time is logo design of a pirate skull with crossbones, and for that, it basically provided me this result, like it enhances that into a design, right? And now we have a few more details into that. So now this is a logo design instead of logo of a pirate skull with crossbones, okay? Then the next one, I basically added minimalistic logo. So for that, it basically cut down all the extra details, and now we have a very minimalistic logo with just a pirate skull and crossbones, no other fancy details, right? So if you want simpler details, you can use minimalistic logo in your prompt as well, all right? Then after that, you can add minimalistic logo design. So this time, it's going to go ahead and cut down the details, but adapt a design style in your logo, right? So this is how you can go ahead and play around with your prompt. So this is the minimalistic logo design of a pirate skull with crossbones. And at last, we have vector logo, right? So if you want to go ahead and get that fancy vector design in your logos, you can go ahead and use that vector logo design. And this time you can see the results are absolutely beautiful. We have that typical vector design in our images, and now everything looks really fancy and really vector, you guys, right? So you guys saw just by having few terms in your prompts, like how it's gonna go ahead and change the logos for you, right? So we have 5 to 6 different types of terms, and we basically use that in our same prompt, and this is how we get different results for all of our logos images, right, you guys? Alright, so now let's just go ahead and discuss some of the styles that you can achieve in Midjourney for your logo. So first of all, starting off, we have 3D logo design. So this is 3D logo design of a coffee cup with steam metallic textures, vibrant reflections, and depth. And you guys can see the images turned out really good. So we have a 3D logo design this time. You can simply put the term 3D and it's going to create amazing 3D results for you for your logo, right? Then the next one you can go ahead and do is abstract logo. So this is the abstract logo design with swirling lines and soft gradients inspired by wind and movement. And for that, it basically provided me these results. You guys can literally see the results look really great. It's kind of a very minimalistic, but yeah, we basically achieved the swirling lines and soft gradients that we wanted and that we put in our prompt, you guys, right? Then the next one you can go ahead and do is monogram logo. So now we have monogram logo design with the letters A, B intertwined with elegant curves and classic serif font. So you guys can see in every logo design, we have A, B integrated in that, right? So we have kind of a very cool design, like a very cool vibe into that, and AB is integrated. So if you want to go ahead and play around with your monograms, like you want to get initials in your logo, so for that, you can go ahead and put your monogram logo prompt and achieve amazing results with that as well, okay? Then you can go ahead and also get a retro or vintage logo. So for example, this is a retro style logo design of a bicycle with faded colors, disturbed textures, and a nostalgic feel. And you guys can see it's looking really retro, you guys, right? So we have very amazing logos for a bicycle with faded colors, distressed textures, and a nostalgic feel. So if you were wondering like whether we can get retro design logos or not, so yeah, Midjourney is there for you, for your help in that as well, okay? Then let's just say if you want to go ahead and achieve hand-drawn logo, like you want a very raw logo, so you can achieve that as well. So for example, this is a hand-drawn logo of a tree with intricate branches and root, sketchy lines, and earthy tones. So yeah, for that, it provided me these results. The results are looking absolutely beautiful, right? Then we also have the neon sign logo, which is really trending nowadays as well. So yeah, you can go ahead and achieve neon sign logos as well. For example, this is the neon sign design with glowing letters and shapes, bright pink and blue colors, inspired by 1980s aesthetics, right? And yeah, take a look at all of the results, right? These are looking really beautiful, to the mark, and just exactly the way we wanted that we put in a prompt, right? Then the next one, you can go ahead and get emblem logos. So yeah, this is emblem logo design for a motorcycle club, circular with cross wrenches and a bold eagle and a rugged feel. And yeah, take a look at all of these from this is absolutely beautiful, you guys, right? I think this is my personal favorite, one of the best you can get in Midjourney, right? Alright, for you guys, if you are wondering whether you can get the mascot logo or not, so yeah, this is basically the mascot logo design featuring a cartoon line with a crown, bold colors, and playful expressions. And take a look at these results. Wow, this is really beautiful, right? So we have very bold colors, very playful expression, and the line looks really happy. And yeah, the results are really beautiful in that as well, right? Okay, then let's just say if you want to go ahead and achieve gradient logo. So this is gradient logo designed for modern letter S with smooth transitions from blue to purple, giving a sleek and dynamic look, right? And yeah, all the results for our letter S looks really good to the mark. And this is exactly what we wanted for our prompt, right? Then the next one, let's just say if you want to achieve negative space logo, you know, just some of the neutral colors. So you can achieve that as well. So this is a negative space logo design of a bird, where the wings create an M shape with clean lines and subtle details, right? And yeah, take a look at all of these generations. These look really accurate. Like, you know, this is exactly what I was saying. If you want to go ahead and achieve the exact look that we want in our prompt, so yeah, you have to go ahead and get your stylized value fixed. And take a look at this, right? We want to achieve the M shape in our logo, and yeah, all of the results for that, it provided me really beautiful results, right? Next, let's just say if you want to go ahead and achieve the lettermark logo. So this is the lettermark logo design using TS in modern minimalistic style with sharp angles and a metallic finish, right? And yeah, you guys can see the metallic finish into that. Looks really good. And yeah, if you want to go ahead and get the lettermark logo, so you can do that very easily with the help of Midjourney, okay? Next, let's just say if you want to go ahead and achieve the badge style logo. So this is a badge style logo design for a hiking club, featuring a mountain silhouette, a banner, and earthy colors, right? And yeah, take a look at all of these results. These are looking really beautiful for that, right? Okay, so the next one we have watercolor logos. So yeah, this is watercolor logo design of a floral arrangement with soft blended colors and delicate brush strokes. And yeah, you guys can see the results for that look really beautiful, right? Alright, so next, a very important category, typographic logo. So yeah, This is basically typographic logo design with the word Noah in a creative bold font integrating the letters in a cohesive image, right? So let's say if you want to go ahead and include words in your logos. So yeah, you can do that very easily with the help of Midjourney, okay? Okay, so next we have the futuristic logo design with sharp angles, metallic surfaces, and a holographic effect inspired by sci-fi elements, right? And yet these are the results for all of these, okay? Okay, so next we have the texture logo design of a tree with bark textures, earthy tones, and a rough natural appearance. And yet these are the results for that. You guys can see, like, especially this one, this is looking really, really beautiful, right? Okay, so the next one, we have the floral logo design featuring a wreath of roses and leaves, elegant and feminine with pastel colors, right? And yeah, all of the results for that turned out really, really beautiful. All right, the next one, we have very important one as well, the metallic logo. So this is a metallic logo design of a deer with chrome textures, reflections, and an industrial feel, right? So yeah, by the look of that, you can already tell, like, this is giving me some kind of industrial vibe, right? Okay, so the next one, we have the low poly logo. So this is a low poly logo design of a fox head with dramatic shapes, sharp angles, and modern tech-inspired look. And yeah, you guys can see all of the results turned out really, really beautiful for that as well. Okay, so the next one, we have the dual tone logo. So this is a dual tone logo design of a musical note with contrasting black and white colors, creating a strong visual impact. And yet, take a look at the results for that, you guys, as well. Okay, so the next, we have a few more categories. First of all, we have shaped like alphabet. So let's just say if you want to create any logos with alphabet in that. So this is a logo design shaped like the letter A with a modern and angular style incorporating a subtle gradient and shadow effect. So this is the A logo, you guys, for you. Then the next one, if you want to go ahead and create logos shaped like shapes such as circles, squares, etc. So you can do that. So this is a logo design shaped like a circle with concentric rings and a central icon representing the sun using warm and vibrant colors. You guys can take a look at that as well. Then the next one, we have the logo composed of straight lines. So this is a logo design composed entirely of straight lines, forming a stylized mountain range with sharp peaks and a minimalistic aesthetic. And yeah, you guys can take a look into that as well. The results are looking really beautiful. Then we have logo design composed of flat colors. So this is a logo design using flat colors featuring a simple and bold butterfly icon with contrasting hues of blue and orange, right? Then we have logo design composed of geometric shapes forming a fox face using triangles and rectangles with a modern and abstract look. So you guys can see the results are looking really, really beautiful for that as well. Then the second last one, we have logo design for a tech company including elements like a circuit board and a light bulb integrated into a sleek and futuristic icon. So yeah, these are the results for that prompt. Alright, and the last one we have is logo design for a brand named Oceanic with the name integrated into a wave-like design featuring shades of blue and a fluid font style. And you guys can see the results for that look really, really good. We have exact word Oceanic with the name integrated into a wave-like design, and the font for that looks really, really good as well, you guys, right? So there you have it, guys. This was a complete dive into how you can go ahead and create amazing logos with Midjourney. So we discussed 30 plus different styles for that. So yeah, I hope you liked this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.